Hi, my name is Shai and I'm going to show you a tool I created named BlindJS. BlindJS allows you to write code which is 100% correct. How? You just prepare the code ahead, and when you want to show it, you just type on random keys and your code just shows up. So if you are going to present a code sample in a demo, code review, or a presentation, don't worry about typos and don't memorize your code. Just prepare your code ahead, type random keys, and let BlindJS write the real code. When it comes to a presentation which involves code writing, the biggest concern of many presenters is that the demo wouldn't work. I have participated in many lectures when such thing happened, and it wasn't nice at all. The presenter usually starts sweating, mumbling, and trying to remember what was the correct code. In this stage, people in the crowd start whispering, others check their phones. One thing is sure, expensive time goes to waste. BlindJS allows you to focus on what really matters, your message. You don't need to memorize your code, you don't have to be anxious because you are not sure if it's going to work. Some presenters show the whole code when they present. I find it very hard to explain the code when dozens of lines are on the screen. You might rather showing it line by line or character by character. So what's next? I invite you to install BlindJS VS Code extension and give it a shot in your next presentation.